Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We'll open the door, and right under the center of the dash is a lever. We'll pop the hood. Under the center of the hood on the bottom, there's this lever. You'll want to move that, and that will release the hood. Right here on the passenger side of the engine, you have an air box, and this is where your air filter lives. What you can do is push these little pins out of the way, like that. There's 4 of them. And all you have to do is wiggle the air box, and it should release itself. And at this point, you have full access to your air filter. To replace the air filter, you drop it right back in. Make sure it's seated all the way around. And then over here on the air box, you can see there's these little slots which hold this side down to the bottom side of the air box. And you need to line those up. All right, those are all lined up. So now back on the passenger side over here, you can start to latch these clips on again. There's the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.